All right, guys, we're going to jump right into this video. So Spellbinders has launched 2 holiday advent type calendar things here. You have the 12 days of Stitchmas, which is going to cover 12 different days where you get different stitching dies. And then they have the Crafty advent calendar, which has 24 little crafty surprises in it. So the 12 days of Stitchmas or the Crafty advent calendar, or both, if you are one of those who likes to treat yourself to little surprises. I'm super excited to be using these. I have never done an advent calendar. I know, surprise, surprise. Crafty advent calendar, I'm all over it. So let's take a look at these. So first I'm going to look at the Crafty advent calendar. I'm not going to be opening up any of these doors. This is not going to be a spoiler, so you don't have to worry about that. I just wanted to show you the actual advent calendar here. I will be doing projects on each of these starting December 1st. So if you want to play along with me, I'm either going to have a social media post or some sort of video, or possibly doing lives in our Facebook group over on Facebook. So if you haven't joined there, the W+9 Encourage Creativity Community, I highly recommend that you join that. We'd love to have you. So when you open this up, you can see just like any other calendar, you're going to have a door for each day. You're going to open one each day and you get a new crafty surprise. And that could include dies, embossing folders, stamps, stencils, or embellishments. So I think that this is going to be a lot of fun. And like I said, I'm going to start using this one on December 1st. So let's go ahead and put this one aside and let's look at the 12 days of Stitchmas. Okay, so this one we can get started on right away. This is the 12 days of Stitchmas. It includes 12 holiday themed stitching dies, and they can be used to create beautiful cards, ornaments, gift tags, banners, and anything else you can think of. So let's go ahead and open this one up and take a look at the inside. You can see here you have 2 sides, and each side has 6 little doors, and you open them up in order. And I'm not going to cheat. I am actually going to open mine in order, and I will have a project for each day. I will start my projects tomorrow, and there will either be a video, a social media post, or live like I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Now you can use all of your current supplies with this, or you can get the stitching add-on kit here that Spellbinders has put together. You will have everything you need in this kit to put together all of the dies in the 12 days of Stitchmas. So let's take a real quick look at what you get inside this add-on kit. So if you're new to stitching and you don't have any of the supplies required, this is super convenient because you've got everything you need right here to get started. I'm also going to be sharing some projects with you guys where we're not going to use any stitching on them. So be on the lookout for that if stitching is not your thing. The dies are not useless. All right, so you're going to get a bunch of cardstock here. I did not count them. I think there might be 12, 15. Definitely check the link in the description box below so that you can get all of the information on the colors that come in this kit and exactly how many sheets you get. I can tell you that you get lots of cardstock here. You're going to get, I know you're getting Snowdrift. I know I see a Glacier in there and I see Peridot. You're also going to get some specialty cardstock in here. They've included a sheet of this brushed gold cardstock. I love this. This is one of my favorites, and it's a great alternative to their mirror gold cardstock, which I do like as well. But sometimes you want that glitz, but not so much shine. You know what I'm saying? You're also going to get the brushed silver. I'm excited to have this one because this is one I have not picked up yet, so I'm glad it was included in here. And then you're going to get this foam glitter sheet here. So you can die cut through this, and then it's got the glitter already on the front. And oh, look at that sparkle. Ooh, I'm excited to try this as well. All right, so like I said, make sure that you check out the link so that you can decide for yourself whether this bundle is going to be a great value for you or not. I can tell you that it is a great value overall, but if you already have all of this stuff, might not be something that you need. You're also going to get 10 skeins of embroidery floss here. They're giving you 5 solid colors and then 5 variegated colors. So here you can see the colors are actually pretty well matched to the cardstock that is included in this kit too. So there's no guesswork there. You know that everything is going to coordinate and work well together. They've even included the variegated gold shades here that it's going to work beautifully with all of the golds that they've included in the kit. Now, they did not skimp out on you. You also get two full, what are these? Two full spools. They're spools, Dawn, of gold and silver metallic threads. Now, this is a game changer when it comes to the stitching. It adds that little bit of elegance, and I absolutely love this stuff. Use it a lot. All right. In the kit, they're also going to give you some fun little things here. So this is an exclusive stamp set that will cut out a little bobbin that you can wrap your DMC thread around if you don't have any of the plastic ones. Just super cute. You can also use it to make cards for your friends that like to stitch. They're giving you a needle threader. This, I need it now. I'm not even going to lie. My close vision is going. They're giving you a whole pack of sequins. These little, not sequins, gems. They're giving you a whole pack of gems here to add a little bit of extra little embellishment. And then this little needle minder. You guys, this is something I didn't even know I needed in my life. So you've got a little magnet on the back, so you can actually clip this to your work. So if you're working on, if you're a stitcher in general, and you work on larger projects, that magnet will allow you to place the needle minder to your project. So you put the front, you add the back of the magnet behind your project, it'll hold it in place. And then you just attach your needle to the front there. And it's magnetic, so it just grabs it. Super cool. There are also a whole pack of needles here, these blunt needles in a 24 gauge. So this is everything that you get in the stitch. I'm lying. Oh my goodness. I totally forgot about the foam squares. I told you there's a lot in there. So they've also included these 1/4 inch foam squares to adhere and put your dies together as well. And you can see here you get 2 sheets for a total of, I think it's 308 squares. Now that is everything included in the add-on kit. And then it all comes bundled and packaged nicely in the reusable zippered pouch. This is a great little pouch. It'll keep everything together and you'll be ready to go with each of your stitching dies each day. So I'm super excited to be doing this. I hope that you guys are going to tune in. Let me know in the comments below whether you have purchased one of the advent calendars, if you plan to, and if you're going to be playing along with me. Remember, I'll be posting them either in video form or on my social media. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.